Strengthening the influence of numbers. Numbers are one of the collective energies involved in our lives. Remember, we are co-creating life from different influences. Numbers are fundamental elements of creation. Numbers and geometry are a language of the universe. Because geometry only exists in a purely mathematical space. Each number represents a frequency and a vibration, and each number contains volumes of information within. Numbers have a purpose-driven spiritual light that emanates from consciousness. Because each number represents an aspect of it. Remember, in the description of this video and in the first comment, you can find the link that will take you to the dates of the next workshops and courses. Our lives on an individual level are surrounded by numbers. Numbers that liberate us and guide us. Let's separate these three. We erase each of their weaknesses, combining them to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time with finite time. We balance them so that all three are centered, stable, and balanced. We strengthen our name, in which each letter corresponds to a number. We strengthen all its positive, negative aspects and neutralize them. Strong enough to accept all the numerical divinity contained in your name. We're going to eliminate the misinformation, perception, and interpretation that your name is a fortunate or unfortunate chance of life. According to your interpretation, strong enough to know that no matter its meaning, origin, or family history, that is the name that belongs to you and ties to you in this life experience. And investigate all its meanings and purposes that also contain your mission. We will strengthen your birth date, including day, month, and year. We strengthen all the family patterns that align with your birth date so that those pending matters are efficiently transcended by you, honoring the painful memories that they've brought along with gratitude towards your ancestors who contributed so that you could experience life. We are going to wipe out the misinformation, perception, and interpretation that your birth date carries negativity, curses, karmas, and limitations, and that you are entirely powerless against it. We are going to eliminate what comes from culture, religion, education, experts, ancestors, the collective, from the family, and from yourself. We are going to strengthen you to integrate all its positive and negative aspects, to neutralize all judgments, fears, critiques, complaints, rejections, and claims to life. For having believed that your misfortunes come from some of the numbers that make you up, we are going to erase all the slavery inherent in the numbers that identify you. We erase the debilitating energy that comes from official identity documents like birth certificates, passports, driver's licenses, social security numbers, and voter identification numbers. We're going to erase all the bondage inherent in financial documents, bank statements, loan documents, mortgages, investments, and credit, debit, and savings card numbers. We're also going to erase the existing weakness in tax identification numbers, numbers in electronic signatures, and tax identification numbers, numbers in documents that involve debts such as promissory notes, bills, credits, loans, and others. We're going to deactivate all the debilitating energy hidden in barcodes and QR codes, which conceal numbers intended to energetically weaken us. We erase memories and all the negative influence from all the numbers that signify ownership, slavery, subjugation, and we neutralize them. We remove all their debilitating energy, remove their resistance to deactivation, and we raise all their negative influence with their cumulative effect on your energy field. And we send it to other universes, existences, dimensions, space-time, dark matter and energy, black and wormholes of the universe, and other unknown places. We're going to erase all the influence of the numbers in your education, especially the more debilitating numbers like those on grades, numbers that denigrated you as a child, numbers that set you apart, that differentiated you from others, that excluded you, numbers that were obtained through pain, suffering, demands, conditions, and a lot of stress. We erase the weakness caused by all the times you were graded and had to present them to your parents. We eliminate all the cumulative effect of this to negative infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We erase that these numbers have reduced your worth, diminished your dignity, taken away your place, and taken away your love and recognition. We erase the pain from the traumas caused by these numbers to negative infinity, 100% of the time with infinite time. We eliminate the negative influence of numbers contained in contracts and legal documents. We eliminate the overwhelm, worry, fatigue, frustration, sorrow, and fear that these numbers energetically emit. We're going to eliminate the negative impact of all the numbers that show your location or the ones you're constantly monitored by, like your phone number, your home and work postal numbers, your license plate number, your electricity, water, or any other service contract number at your home or work. And finally, we eliminate the negative influence of the numbers on your vaccination record and all the supposed immunizations received throughout your life. We erase the physical and non-physical damage that caused to zero minus infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. We are going to strengthen all the triads present in your life, that is, all the ways and times in which the number 3 is present. Strong you, your mother, and your father. Strong your home, your work, and your school. Strong your physical intelligence, your mental intelligence, and your spiritual intelligence. Strong your body, your mind, and your spirit. Strong your past, your present, and your future. Strong your birth, your life, and your death. Strong your conscious, non-conscious, and subconscious. Strong to learn, unlearn, and relearn. Strengthen your self-concept, self-esteem, and self-worth. Strengthen your intellect, your emotions, and your will. We strengthen the pentagons in your life, which is the times when the number 5 appears. Strengthen your sight, hearing, taste, touch, and smell. Strengthen your physical, mental, spiritual, psychic, and ancestral influences. Strengthen the 5 stages of grief you have gone through in your life: denial, anger, bargaining, depression, and acceptance. Strengthen the 5 elements present in you: fire, earth, air, water, and ether. Your pentagon of I am worth, I can, I deserve, I matter, and I am enough. Stay strong. The 5 essential virtues are strong: benevolence, righteousness, courtesy, wisdom, and honesty. We're going to erase the influence of all these numbers from this and every life on you, on your ancestors, and on your descendants. We're going to make you strong, so that it's the same, not the same, different, not different, change, not change, perception, not perception. We're strengthening internal and external dynamics, internal and external limits and vertices, 100% with infinite potential, 100% of the time with finite time. We're erasing all weaknesses and everything that impedes, limits, delays, hinders, or blocks. May the negative influence of numbers be neutralized. May the positive influence of numbers be strengthened. And may the influence of the numbers that guide you present themselves to you. We're erasing the weaknesses to 0 minus infinity 100% of the time with infinite time. Reset, recalibrate, reprogram, readjust, and rejuvenate your body, mind, and spirit. How do you feel? The same or different?